Welcome to Severn Trent Green Power's anaerobic digestion facility at Bishop's Cleeve. We're going to take you on a little visit around the site now to show you how we take your food waste and turn that into renewable energy and a liquid fertiliser.
As you can see behind, we've got a vehicle coming in. That's the first point of call as it comes into the site. They get weighed in. The vehicles will come in over the weighbridge and then they'll reverse up to the reception hall doors. The guys inside will open the doors up and the vehicle will tip his load onto the floor at the back of the reception hall. Once the food waste has been through the dominators in the front hall, it separates the food and the plastic plastic is then sent out the front here and then compacted into a rolled off container and then taken away. Once the material has been processed in the reception hall, it is then pumped out to the two big tanks that you can see behind me. It's kept in stasis there until it's pumped through and then across into the pasteurisation tanks where the material is pasteurised for an hour at 70 degrees to make sure that it kills any E. coli or salmonella. And from the pasteurisation tanks it then moves up and into the digesters where it's fed into the digesters, which is where the gas is produced for the engines. The gas that is produced in the digesters, which is called biogas, is then brought down through the carbon vessels, which you can see, and into our process plant, which processes the gas. It is then compressed and sent forward into the GU where we add propane to bring the quality of the gas up, and then that is then sent out into the national grid. To create the soup that we have in the front hall, we mix this water in with the food to create that soup. This water is just a rainwater catchment lagoon, so it takes all the water from all of the site and then is put in this lagoon here, and then we can use it forward. Once all the gas has been produced out of the food waste that's in the digesters, they're then discharged into a lagoon. From there, it is then pumped across into this contraption, which takes out the last parts of fibre and plastic, so it's a nice clean material, and then into the post-digester that you can see in the background there.
By recycling your food waste in this way, we're able to retain all of the nutrients in that food waste to create this beautiful, nutritious, organic fertiliser which is spread to local land. And of course then it can be used to grow more crops, more food, and it's a beautiful closed loop. So I hope that's been really useful. Obviously, the best thing you can do for the environment is to not produce food waste in the first place, but I think we've all got stuff in our homes that we have to dispose of, eggshells, potato peelings, that kind of thing. So by recycling those, you're contributing to the production of renewable energy. So thank you so much.